Let's learn onion rings in 2 ways and 2 types of fantastic sauce. Stay tuned, Reeds. Where is my knife? Let's go make something delicious from onions. The first method is extra crispy with jalapeno sauce. Try to use yellow or white onions for this dish. Be sure to remove the initial skin of the onion and make vertical cuts 2 cm wide. Now separate the layers calmly. As you know, we don't need the center of the onion. Add hot sauce to buttermilk and stir. In a deep bowl, mix white flour, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, oregano, garlic powder, and paprika so that the coating becomes flavorful. Use a fork to put the onion rings in buttermilk, then in flour. Repeat this twice. Deep fry for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown. For the jalapeno sauce, mix mayonnaise, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, lemon juice, chili flakes, and a little fresh garlic. That's it. It's better to rest for an hour. Look, it's perfect! Let's go to the next method, tempura and basil sauce. For tempura, mix flour, egg, mustard, beer, salt, black pepper and oregano, and let it rest for 15 minutes. This is my recipe. Now, in another bowl, mix flour with salt and black pepper. Everything is ready. Let's cook. Put the onions first in tempura, then in flour, and once again in tempura. Do not forget that the oil must be hot. For the basil sauce, mix mayonnaise, garlic, lemon juice, fresh basil, black pepper, salt, and a pinch of oregano. That's it. We made a delicious tower together. Doesn't it look like the tower of Pisa? I hope you make it and enjoy.